What if I told you that the coffee you are drinking right now could have been worth 500 by the time you retire? Yeah, you heard that right. That $5 latte, $500. Most people think investing is only for the rich. They picture Wall Street traders in fancy suits, screaming into phones, moving millions of dollars around. But here is the truth nobody tells you. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to be smart. In fact, you can start building real wealth with just $100. That's less than a pair of sneakers, less than a night out with friends. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So, if you have been sitting on the sidelines thinking I'll invest when I have more money, this video is for you. Let's turn that $100 into your first step toward financial freedom. Why $100 is more powerful than you think. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you plant a tiny seed in your backyard. At first, it's just a seed, nothing special. But you water it, give it sunlight, and wait. That seed grows into a tree. That tree drops more seeds. Those seeds become more trees. Before you know it, you have an entire garden. That's compound interest. And that's what makes your $100 powerful. If you invest $100 today and it grows at 10% per year in 10 years, you'll have about $259. You didn't add a single extra dollar, but your money more than doubled. Step 1. Get your mind right first before we talk about where to put your money. Let's talk about something important. Investing isn't gambling. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about being patient and consistent. Think of investing like planting a garden, not buying a lottery ticket. You're not hoping for luck. You're creating a system that grows over time. Also, only invest money you won't need for at least 5 years. This isn't your emergency fund. This isn't your rent money. This is money that can sit and grow without you touching it. Step 2. Choose your investment platform now. Where do you actually put this $100? You need what's called a brokerage account. Don't let that fancy term scare you. It's basically just an app on your phone where you buy investments. Here are some beginner-friendly options: Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Webull. Most of these have no minimum deposit and zero commission fees. That means you can start with your $100 and keep every penny invested. Downloading the app takes 5 minutes. Setting up your account takes another 10. You'll need your ID, social security number, and bank account info. That's it, easier than signing up for Netflix. Step 3. What to actually buy? This is where most beginners freeze up. There are thousands of stocks out there. How do you choose? Here's my advice. Don't pick individual stocks when you're starting out. That's like trying to run before you can walk. Instead, buy something called an index fund or ETF. Think of it like this. If individual stocks are single ingredients, an index fund is the entire meal already prepared for you. An S&P 500 index fund, for example, gives you a tiny piece of 500 different companies. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, all in one purchase. So if one company has a bad day, you're protected because you own 499 others. Popular ETFs for beginners include VU, SPY, or VTI. These track the overall stock market. When the economy grows, your investment grows. Simple. Step 4. Make your first purchase. Open your app. Search for your chosen ETF. Let's say you pick VU. You'll see the current price, maybe around $400 per share. Wait, you're thinking, I only have $100. How can I buy a $400 share? Great question. Most platforms now offer fractional shares. That means you can buy a piece of a share. You can invest your full $100 and own 0.25 shares of VU. As the price goes up, your fraction goes up too. Click buy, enter $100. Confirm, done. You're now an investor. Seriously, that's it. Step 5, the secret. Weapon consistency? Here's where the real magic happens. That $100 is great, but imagine adding just $50 every month or even $25. Let's do the math. If you invest $100 today and add $50 every month for 30 years with a 10% annual return, you'll end up with over $113,000. You only put in about $18. 100 of your own money, the rest. That's growth. That's your money making money. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Fancy name, simple concept. You invest the same amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. When prices are low, you buy more shares. When prices are high, you buy fewer. Over time, it averages out and you win. Common beginner mistakes to avoid: don't panic when you see red numbers. The stock market goes up and down. That's normal. If you invested in a solid index fund, just hold on. The market has always recovered and grown over long periods. Don't check your account every day. You'll drive yourself crazy. Check maybe once a month or even once a quarter. Don't pull your money out early. Remember, this is a long-term game. The longer you leave it alone, the more it grows. So let's recap what we've learned today. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Just $100 and the willingness to begin. You download a free investing app, open an account in minutes, and buy a low-cost index fund that gives you instant diversification. Then you let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. That $100 isn't going to change your life tomorrow. But 10 years from now, 20 years, 30 years, it could be worth thousands. And if you stay consistent and keep adding to it, even small amounts, you're building real wealth. The difference between people who build wealth and people who don't isn't talent or luck. It's simply that they started, they took action. So here's my challenge to you. Don't let this video be just another thing you watched and forgot. Take that $100, open that account, make that first investment. Do it today, do it this week, just do it. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips. Drop a comment below and tell me what's holding you back from investing. Let's talk about it. Now go turn that $100 into your future. You've got this.